Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavours possible. Hi, I'm from Pablo and Rusty's. We're passionate about two things: delicious specialty coffee and creating a positive impact. We're proudly B Corp, carbon neutral, and 1% for the planet certified. Today we're going to dial in Trailblazer on the Oracle Touch. Now, assuming you've already placed a single wall double basket in the portafilter and you selected the double shot button, then you're ready to brew with me. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. Trailblazer has sweet, fruit-forward, delicious notes as an espresso, or it pairs perfectly with your favorite dairy or non-dairy alternative. Enjoy. My grinder is currently set to 20 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Let's dial in right where we're at. Let's start with the brew first. Remove the portafilter and dry and wipe it out. I like to get out all the coffee grounds that might be hanging out in there and any water that's lingered. I like to purge the group head for 2 short seconds to refresh the system while grinding coffee. Insert the portafilter into the grinder cradle and pull it to the right to engage the grinder and purge. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. We are going for 28 to 30 seconds of brew time, and that will yield 36 grams of espresso. It's amazing, dosed and tamped consistently. Wipe off any excess coffee grounds around the basket just to ensure we get a watertight seal, and insert your portafilter into the group head from left to right. It's going to be a little snug on your first few uses, but it'll loosen up a little over time. Press the brew button and grab your favourite cup. You shouldn't see the first drops of espresso until around the 7 to 9 second mark. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to a high pressure. This is called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas and lipids. And there it is. That's the shot I was looking for. Trailblazer has sweet, fruit-forward, delicious notes as an espresso, or it pairs perfectly with your favorite dairy or non-dairy alternative. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water running through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step. We can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature, and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Breville.